Dear students, today we are going to discuss the problems of limits. Right? Second one, third one, question number 2. Compute limit x tending to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by square root of 1 plus x minus 1. Right? See how to solve this one, solution of this one. Right? Limit x tending to 0, limit x tending to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by square root of 1 plus x minus 1. By substituting the limit, that is equal to 0 by 0 form, so that is an indeterminate form. Now, how to find the limit value? Right? This is of the form limit x tending to 0, limit. This problem is related to the formula limit x tending to 0, a power x minus 1 divided by x, that is equal to log a to the base e. Right? Now this problem is converted to this form. Right? That is equal to limit x tending to 0, limit x tending to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by root of 1 plus x minus 1. Right? Now, rationalizing the denominator, multiply and divided by square root of 1 plus x plus 1 by square root of 1 plus x plus 1. That is equal to limit x tending to 0, limit x tending to 0, 3 power x minus 1 divided by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, a square is 1 plus x minus b square, that is 1, into square root of 1 plus x, square root of 1 plus x plus 1. Right? Here 1 gets cancelled, that is equal to limit x tending to 0, 3 power x minus 1 divided by x into limit x tending to 0, square root of 1 plus x plus 1. Right? Now, this is of the form limit x tending to 0, a power x minus 1 by x, that is equal to log a base e, that is equal to log a, that means log 3 to the base e, into, by applying the limit root of 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1 to 2 times log 3 base e, that is equal to log 9 base e, that is equal to log 9 to the base e. Right. So now see question number 3. Compute limit x tending to a square root of a plus 2x minus root 3x by square root of 3a plus x minus 2 root x. Right? In this problem, rationalizing both numerator and denominator. Here, both numerator and denominator contain irrational terms. So, rationalize both numerator and denominator. Right? Limit x tending to a, limit x tending to a, square root of a plus 2x, square root of a plus 2x minus root 3x minus root 3x divided by square root of 3a plus x square root of 3a plus x minus square root of 4x. Now rationalizing both numerator and denominator. So into square root of a plus 2x square root of a plus 2x plus root 3x divided by square root of 3a plus x square root of 3a plus x minus square root 4x. Okay. Into, this is plus into square root of 3a plus x square root of 3a plus x plus root 4x divided by square root of a plus 2x square root of a plus 2x plus root 3x, right? Rationalizing both numerator and denominator. This is of the form a minus b multiply and divided by a plus b. This is also of the form a minus b multiply and divided by a plus b. Now that is equal to limit x tending to a limit x tending to a. This is a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. A square means a plus 2x minus b square minus 3x divided by denominator. This is of the form a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, 3a plus x, 3a plus x minus 4x into square root of 3a plus x plus root 4x divided by square root of a plus 2x plus root 3x. Now simplifying this, that is equal to limit x tending to a, limit x tending to a minus x divided by 3a minus 3x into limit x tending to a, limit x tending to a square root of 3a plus x plus square root of 4x divided by square root of a plus 2x plus square root of 3x. Right here, applying the limit, this limit is of the form 0 by 0 and this is a non-zero limit. That's why I am applying limit separately. Right, that is equal to limit x tending to a, limit x tending to a minus x divided by 3 times a minus x. Take 3 as common in denominator, we get 3 times a minus x into, by applying the limit value, square root of 3a plus a, square root of 3a plus a plus root 4a divided by square root of a plus 2a plus root 3a. Right, here a minus x gets cancelled. Here only 1 by 3, that is a constant term, 1 by 3 into, right, 2 root 4a in the numerator divided by 2 root 3a in denominator. Right, here 2 gets cancelled, that is equal to 2 root a divided by 3 root 3 root a. Root a gets cancelled. That is equal to 2 divided by 3 root 3. 2 divided by 3 root 3. Right. That is the limit value. Right. Let us see next problem. Compute limit x tending to a sine of x minus a tan square of x minus a divided by x square minus a square whole square. Right? How to find this limit value? See the functions in the numerator sine and tan. If you seen the functions sine and tan, recall the formula. Limit x tending to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1, and limit x tending to 0, tan x by x is also equal to 1. Right? By using that formula, we have to find the limit value. Right? Limit x tending to a, that is equal to limit x tending to a, limit x tending to a sine of x minus a into sine of x minus a into tan square of x minus a divided by denominator x square minus a square whole square. X square minus a square can be written as x plus a into x minus a, x plus a into x minus a whole square. Right? That is equal to limit x tending to a, limit x tending to a sine of x minus a into tan square of x minus a, tan square of x minus a divided by denominator is of the form ab whole square. ab whole square is equal to a square into b square, that is equal to x plus a whole square into x minus a whole square, x plus a whole square into x minus a whole square. Right? Now that is equal to limit x tending to a sine of x minus a, sine of x minus a divided by x plus a whole square, sine of x minus a by x plus a whole square into limit x tending to a or x minus a tending to 0, x minus a tending to 0, tan square of x minus a, tan square of x minus a by x minus a whole square. Right? Now by applying the limit x tending to a, this is sine 0, 0, 0 divided by 4a square, 0 divided by 4a square into, here this is of the form limit x tending to 0, tan square x divided by x square, tan square x by x square, that is equal to 1, 0 by 4a square into 1, that is equal to 0. Right? That is the limit value of the given problem. Now let us see next problem. Limit x tending to 0, 1 minus cos 2mx divided by sine square nx. What is the formula for 1 minus cos 2a? 1 minus cos 2a, that is equal to 2 sine square a. Limit x tending to 0, limit x tending to 0, 1 minus cos 2a. 1 minus cos 2a, that is equal to 2 sine square a, 2 sine square mx divided by sine square nx divided by sine square nx. Right? Here 2 is a constant term, 2 times limit x tending to 0, sin square mx divided by sin square nx. So we divide numerator and denominator by x square. We divide numerator and denominator by x square. Sin square mx by x square. Sin square nx divided by x square, that is equal to 2 times sin square ax by x square as extending to 0, that is a square. So the numerator is equal to m square. Similarly, the denominator is equal to n square. The denominator is equal to n square, that is equal to 2m square divided by n square, that is the limit value of the given problem. Let us see next problem, question number 7. Compute limit x tending to 0, 1 minus cos x by x. How to find the limit value? Right, that is equal to limit x tending to 0, limit x tending to 0. Right, what is the formula for 1 minus cos x? 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2 divided by x. 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2 divided by x, that is equal to limit x tending to 0, limit x tending to 0, here 2 is a constant term, sin square x by 2, sin square x by 2 divided by multiply and divided by x, multiply and divided by x. Right, now this is of the form sin square ax by x, sin square ax by x square. Right, I am writing one more step, limit x tending to 0, sin square 1 by 2 into x, sin square 1 by 2 into x divided by x square into limit x tending to 0 x. Right, so here this is sin square ax by x square. Sin square ax by x square, that is equal to a square, that is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 whole square, 2 into 1 by 2 whole square, but this limit is 0, so this is 0, the product will be 0. Right, this is the limit value. Now see question number 8. Compute limit extending to 0, secant x minus 1 by x square, limit extending to 0, limit x tending to 0, secant x is equal to 1 by cos x, secant x is equal to 1 by cos x minus 1 divided by x square divided by x square, that is equal to limit x tending to 0, limit extending to 0 by taking the LCM, 1 minus cos x divided by x square into cos x, right, that is equal to limit x tending to 0. What is the formula for 1 minus cos x? 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2, 2 sin square x by 2 divided by x square cos x, right, that is equal to 2 is a constant term, 2 into limit extending to 0, sin square x by 2, sin square x by 2 divided by x square into limit x tending to 0, 1 by cos x. Here this function is non-zero when applying the limit, so I am writing the separate limit for this function. Here this is 0 by 0 when applying the limit. So I am writing one limit to this and another limit to this. Now this is of the form limit x tending to 0 sine square ax divided by x square, that is equal to a square 2 into 1 by 2 whole square into limit extending to 0 1 by cos x, that is equal to 1, that is equal to 2 into 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2, right? That is the limit value. Right, let us see next problem. Question number 9. Evaluate limit extending to 0 1 minus cos mx by 1 minus cos nx. Limit extending to 0, limit x tending to 0. What is the formula for 1 minus cos mx? 1 minus cos mx, that is 2 sin square mx by 2. Limit x tending to 0, 1 minus cos mx, that is equal to 2 sin square mx by 2 divided by 1 minus cos nx, 1 minus cos nx, that is equal to 2 sin square nx by 2, right? 2 gets cancelled, that is equal to limit x tending to 0. Now we divide numerator and denominator by x square. Now we divide numerator and denominator by x square, right? Sin square mx by 2 by x square by sin square nx by 2 sin square nx by 2 by x square. Now observe that numerator, both numerator and denominator is of the form sin square ax by x square. So the limit value of that one is a square, so that numerator is equal to m by 2 whole square, denominator is equal to n by 2 whole square, that is equal to m square divided by n square, m square divided by n square. That is the limit value of the given problem. Right. Now see question number 10. Compute limit x tending to 0 x into e power x minus 1 by 1 minus cos x. Right. Limit x tending to 0, limit x tending to 0 x into e power x minus 1 by 1 minus cos x. Now this can be written as e power x minus 1 divided by 1 minus cos x divided by x, 1 minus cos x divided by x. Okay, not x square, x only, that is equal to limit x tending to 0, limit x tending to 0. Now divide numerator and denominator by x, divide numerator and denominator by x, e power x minus 1 divided by x divided by 1 minus cos x divided by x square, right? That is equal to limit x tending to 0, limit x tending to 0, e power x minus 1 by x divided by 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2, 2 sin square x by 2 divided by x square. Now that is equal to by applying the limit, numerator is equal to 1 and denominator is equal to 2 times 1 by 2 whole square, 2 times 1 by 2 whole square. right? 2 gets cancelled, 1 by 1 by 2, that is equal to 2. That is the limit value of given problem.